With that plug out. Look out, Jax. This DIY video is brought to you by On-Site Auto, Oklahoma City. All right. We've got a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 3.7 liter, no start, crank but no start. I have messed around with it some. I've got 60 PSI fuel pressure. Checked it on the rail right here. There's a Schrader valve. You can check your fuel pressure. I checked it right there. I checked it 60 PSI. Went ahead and pulled this side spark plugs, and they really need to be changed, but other than that, maybe a little gas soaked from trying to start it. So I hooked my scanner up, and of course there's no codes. So process of elimination, after that is when I pulled these plugs out and started looking. As I was moving on to the other side over here, I noticed that there was an awful lot of dirt and dust accumulation in that throttle body right there. You can kind of see it. Just wiped it out there. And the same in the airbox there. And that's where the mass airflow sensor was. Upon further inspection of the mass airflow, there's your problem. That's why it will crank but no start. It tries to hit, but just won't hit. So I had to go back to base engine, fuel, air, and fire. Fuel, air, and timing. So I eliminated, in the process of eliminating well, I've already eliminated the fuel as being a suspect because I got good pressure. In the process of eliminating the fire, I found this. And so what I'm going to do is attempt to clean this and see what happens. Let's use some brake cleaner and give it a go. And we'll fire it up, and hopefully it'll fire up and run. We'll see. That looks a lot better. We'll go ahead and throw it back in. See what happens. Hopefully she'll run. All right, she's back together. Now for the moment of truth. Let's come around here. See what we got. All right, well, she's running. Seems like it's got a little bit of a miss. And the check engine light's flashing, so I'm gonna go hit it with the scanner. Well, all I had to do was change the plugs, got rid of that check engine light, and she runs great. It's a little one of my projects there. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like and subscribe.